So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a backup payment method on a KOHO Financial. So once the app is opened up, I want you guys to go to the home screen here, then go to the top left and press on the profile icon. Once you're on this page right here where it says account settings, simply go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page right here, three options down where it says payment methods, go ahead and press that. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where it's going to go ahead and show you all the different payment methods you have on file so far. So in this case, it'll show me my primary method. Now, if you want to go ahead and set a backup payment method, just scroll down a little bit here to the bottom. So set up a backup payment method. Never worry about losing access to your benefits from a failed payment. And if you want to go ahead and add that, simply go ahead and press on the purple button right here that says Add Backup Payment Method. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can either go ahead and use a credit card or a card, so you can go ahead and type in that information, or if you want to use Apple Pay, which in my case, I guess I could, I go to the top here and press on Apple Pay. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add a backup payment method on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.